Minitab 2024 is a powerful statistical software package designed for data analysis, quality improvement, and Six Sigma projects. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools for statistical analysis, including descriptive statistics, regression analysis, ANOVA, and more. The software is known for its user-friendly interface and ease of use, making it accessible to users with varying levels of statistical expertise. Minitab 2024 includes new features and enhancements that improve data visualization and analysis capabilities, such as enhanced graphing options and more intuitive data manipulation tools. The Assistant feature guides users through complex analyses step by step, ensuring accurate results even for those less familiar with statistical methods. This feature is particularly beneficial for professionals in manufacturing, healthcare, and education who rely on statistical analysis for decision-making and quality control. Minitab also integrates seamlessly with other software applications, allowing for efficient data import and export. This interoperability is crucial for users who need to work with data from multiple sources. Additionally, Minitab 2024 includes tools for predictive analytics, enabling users to forecast future trends based on historical data. This is particularly useful for businesses looking to anticipate market changes and make informed strategic decisions. The software's robust documentation and support resources ensure that users can quickly find answers to their questions and make the most of its capabilities. Overall, Minitab 2024 is an essential tool for professionals in fields such as manufacturing, healthcare, and academia who need reliable and advanced statistical analysis capabilities to drive decision-making and quality improvement.